Welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 7. If you're new here, my name is Jana and I'm all about being frugal and cooking and traveling full time in my 11-foot truck camper. So today is day 7. Did I already say that? If I did, well, guess what? Today's day 7. Today is the last day, but I'm going to have one more video following this one which shows you all of my leftovers that I had for the week. So stay tuned for that because you're going to be really surprised. I've kind of hinted to it throughout the week on all the videos, but I should have named this series Spend $50 for 2 weeks. So, because I have a lot of leftovers. So in today's video, I do an interesting take on some potato cakes. And then the dinner meal is a stuffed baked potato. So it's kind of a vegan stuffing baked potato until you add the cheese. But, I used the full pound of turkey for the bell peppers that I cooked. I'll link that video up here. And which had lots and lots of leftovers of that. So this one became vegan. So sometimes you just have to modify your recipes with the ingredients you have. So let's get to the video. Okay, for breakfast this morning, I had that rice left over from yesterday. I had the one baked potato, small little baked potato left over. So I'm going to try an experiment. I have one egg left over. So I'm going to make like a potato cake, but I'm going to add some of the rice in with it. And we'll be done with the eggs. And it's probably just going to make one little patty. And it will be just for me since it's got rice. It doesn't eat rice. So that'll be my breakfast this morning. Let's finish up these ingredients. Okay, I just peeled the potato. Another thing you could do, I'm not much of a sweet eater, but a very common breakfast is rice with milk and sugar and a little cinnamon or something. But I could have done that this morning with this, but I wanted to try some challenge here. See if I can make this kind of fried potato rice cake thing. Okay, I mashed up the potato. I'm going to add some rice. Well, that's already a lot of food. That's probably enough for me. So, put the egg in it. Put the egg in it. Some salt. Pepper. Garlic. Alright. Let's get the... Okay. Add a little bit more. I want it to be more like a cake versus an egg. I'm going to add some crushed red pepper too, just to give a little kick. Okay, I'm just going to let this fry like a pancake. And then we'll flip it over. Okay, it's cooking pretty good. What I should have done is made 2 small ones. Because I don't know that I'm going to be able to turn this over. Well, I did have to cut it up to flip it, but looking good. Yeah. Okay, I call that done. I'll let this cool off a little bit and I'll taste it and see what I think. Okay. It's hot still. It's good. I don't taste the rice like I thought I would. want to put ketchup on it. Tonight I am stuffing some baked potatoes. And what am I going to stuff it with? Some vegan chili. So I am going to poke some holes in these potatoes and I'm going to start them in the microwave. They're kind of small, so I'm doing 3. So, but get these ready to go in the microwave. Then I'll start on the chili. Okay, the vegan chili was not supposed to be vegan. But, you know, I bought 2 rolls of the turkey when I decided to use the whole roll for the stuffed bell peppers. Which was a mistake because I have so much of that left over. It's in the freezer. But, and then I cooked the... What did I cook with the other half? Oh, the sauteed beef, turkey, and cabbage. So I decided I'm just going to make this one vegan. It's just going to not have meat in the chili. It's just not going to have it. So, no biggie. So I'm going to... It's starting to rain. It's supposed to rain hard all night. So it has started. You look awful. Yes, you look awful studious. Let's see. She wants a tea. She wants a tea. A little bitty tea. Can I do it? You can too. Good girl. What time is it? It's time to cut an onion. How many onions have I cut this week? A whole bunch. I think every meal had an onion in it, didn't it? And what do I say? You've seen this done before, so I think I'm only going to use a half. I added a can of black beans, and now I'm going in with some fire roasted diced tomatoes. You know that chili seasoning I made the other night? Well, I only used half of it, so I'm going to use the other half for this. Okay, I'm going to just let this simmer. I'm going to turn it down on low and let it simmer for a little bit. Potatoes are probably ready. Let all those flavors marry. I did not have... This recipe called for tomato paste, and of course I had tomato paste left over, but what did I do? I left it sitting out overnight. So the tomato paste didn't make it in the recipe. It made it into the trash. So, which I hate, but anyway, I used a little bit of ketchup. Put a little bit more tomatoey taste. And I bought the fire roasted. These are big tomatoes. I wish I'd have bought the petite diced, but that's all right. It's still gonna be good and edible. There's the potatoes. Yeah, I think they're done. I know the little ones are. Yeah, they're done. And this is all the cheese we have left over, so I think that'll work. Gonna build me a potato and give it a try. Alright, stay tuned for the next video after this one, and it will be the conclusion of the series and what went right, what went wrong. Could I change anything? Could I make it different? Could I make it better? Just overall thoughts, I guess I should say. So, and Sammy has something to say too. You have something to say? Do you? What? I don't have anything to give. Oh, you see the cheese? She likes cheese. Oh. All right, I'm getting off here. That's a small tater right there. Let's see. I'm gonna make a mess. I just know it. So I'm using a bowl because it's gonna overflow. It's gonna overflow. There. And some cheese. Some cheese on top. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a taste. Cheese in there to melt a little bit. I may put a little bit more on and stick it in the microwave. Let's taste. My mouth's watering. That is really good. Good stuffed potato. I told you this recipe was had turkey in it. Well, actually, the whole recipe was stuffed sweet potatoes, but you know, we bought a 5-pound bag of potatoes, so just stuff it with chili stuffed baked potatoes. It's hot too. So hot. So good. Yeah. Don't have any sour cream. That would be really good on it.
Sammy, I'm going to taste some of your mom's cooking, okay? I can't share it, though. It's just for me. Okay, I'll see you later. No, seriously, I'll see you later.
Like, I don't think so.
Gosh. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's probably hot.
Oh. On a cold, rainy day, too.
I know.
So perfect.
Chili.
So perfect.
Chili for a chilly day.
Perfect.